Welcome to the third and last video of our NodeJS application with NPM running in Back4App Containers. We created the Dockerfile in the first video and the index.js file on the second one. In this one, we're going to create our package.json file where we will tell exactly the steps to install all the modules and run our start script. So here I am at my first container repo in Github, and I want to open our Dockerfile really quickly so we can understand what you're going to do. So as you can see here, we're going to use npm install to install all the dependencies of our application. And then we're going to run npm start, which requires a start script so we can run the application. So back to the first container repo, we're going to create a new file by clicking add new file, create new file, and we're going to call this file package.json. So this is JSON syntax, so I'm going to open brackets and we're going to write our properties in here. And the first one I want to write is name, which is the name of our application. I'm going to call this first container, comma, because we have other properties to add. Then we're going to add the version of this application. So version, and we're going to use 1.0.0. Then I want to add the scripts tag where we're going to write our start script that our Dockerfile will be searching for. So scripts. This is also a JSON object, so I'm going to open brackets once again. And inside here, we're going to write our start script, which will be basically node./index.js file, which is the file that we wrote in the last video. Then we have to add our dependencies in here. So comma, as we need another property, dependencies. And this is also another object, so I'm going to open brackets once again. And inside here, I have only one dependency to match in my application, which is express.js. So I'm going to write express, and then I'm going to tell which version I'm going to use. In this case, I'm going to use any version higher than 4.18.2. And this is pretty much what I have to write in order for my start script to run, download Express, install everything for me, and then run node index.js, which is the index.js file that we created in the last video. So I'm going to scroll all the way down and click commit new file. Here is my package.json, and if I go to Back4App Containers, a new deployment should have started as I have my auto deploy enabled. So as you can see, it's starting all the scripts with npm install. Found 0 vulnerabilities. It's launching my container. It will check the health as the last time, but at this point you can see it did not complain about not having the package.json file, which it complained about in the last video, and deployment ready in just 54 seconds. If I want to see my application running, all I have to do is to come here and click this link over there. And as you can see, hello world from Back4App Containers. So these are all the steps that you have to do if you want to run a Node.js application from Back4App Containers with support to NPM modules. As you can see, it's very easy and very fast, and we will be approaching other container configurations with other technologies in next videos. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.